And the grand rally would play out like this.
ट्राई करने का मौका अब गुड़गांव के पास। ग्रैंड रैली की शुरुआत हो तो ऐसे मजा आ गया।
Never backing down.
1-0.
Harshan Mitchell. Draw first blood. And the speed up happened rather early, and Harsh couldn't get this one over the net. Gurgaon opened their account.
1-1.
That was well called by Harsh. मजा आ गया। एंट्री की उन्होंने हार्ग्रीव्स के कोर्ट साइड पर, कॉन्फिडेंस दर्शाता है।
The baseline, couldn't get the elevation. He's cursing the bounce this time though.
हाँ, हल्का सा अंडर स्पिन था उसमें। वही उसी बात पर चर्चा कर रहे थे अपने आप से, कोचिंग खेमे से। इतनी तेज बॉल मार रहे हैं कि नेट ही हिल गया है।
अक्सर हम टेप से मरम्मत करते हैं, अब टेप की मरम्मत कैसे करें?
और टेप लगाकर, जाहिर सी बात है। चलो ठीक हो गया।
2-2.
यहां पर था मारा सीधा सेंटर पर। फिर से जैक मुनरो से चूक हुई है। He is not getting the dinking game right.
The crowd did not sign up for a catch, but that's a welcome gift still.
3-2.
Jack Munro did not enjoy it though. A misfire. That panel needs to listen to him more often. And the switch happens.
Side out. Point.
Very welcome point this for Emilia.
Now the Chennai Super Warriors are one of those rare teams that play a mix when it not only comes to
3-3.
male and female, but mix in terms of nationality as well. Ross Van Riek and Harsh Mehta together have been super effective as mixed doubles one, and you can see why.
Side out.
बहुत ही बढ़िया
Point.
खेल फिर से। अब तक सबसे ज्यादा प्रभावित इस पूरे प्रतियोगिता के दौरान रॉस वान रीक ने किया है, चाहे पुरुष के बारे में बात करें या महिलाओं के बारे में बात करें।
That speed up happened at the last moment. Roos started it. Harsh ends it. Emilia misfires. Chennai picks up another.
5-3.
Yeah, it's just been superb. Their understanding, their combinations. Finally, crackerjack.
Much needed this. Much needed for Jack Munro. Will get the confidence
4-5.
flowing with a complete paddle swing.
पूछना होगा कभी उनसे, वो सर्व राइट से क्यों करते हैं जब हैं लेफ्टी। वो रिट्रीव किया बेहतरीन तरीके से वान रीक ने, and then capitalized. Harsh Mehta, perhaps the Gurgaon duo wasn't ready for the ball once Ross Van Riek retrieved it. Brilliantly done by her.
And the switch brings Alia
6-4.
for Chennai, while Naimi joins Schmidt. Cross-court soft linking ends with Naimi speeding it up. She chose Alia, who's rather newer to the court.
Says my bad towards Ross Van Riek.
5-6.
यही गलती हो गई थी, उसके बाद तो कोई चारा नहीं था। Just out.
Out.
मिलीमीटर का फासला।
6-6.
that. But it was a controlled return from Bruce, who takes it back to Dinking.
Side out. Point.
Naimi was looking cross-court because she expected it cross-court.
I'm just so impressed by Ross van Reek. She's everywhere.
7-6.
She is everywhere. अगर आलिया गलती करती है उसमें सुधार ले आती है, खुद के पॉइंट्स भी जीत लेती है.
Side out. Point.
बहुत ही बढ़िया.
7-7. Yourself.
Tension in
7-7.
both dugouts because they know the importance of a grand rally. It entails 2 points, not 1. Chance of a comeback here to draw the tie for Gurgaon. Chance of winning this tie single-handedly for Chennai.
फंस गई थी.
Point. Players change.
बिल्कुल फंस गई थी. इस वजह से अब स्विच में गुड़गांव आगे. तो कर लो बात. 1 पॉइंट का ही फासला है, so there is a possibility.
8-7.
Build on it. Stavya and Naimi would look to do that, but Mitch Hargreaves is coming.
Point.
The intention was to poach.
9-7.
Communication error. Big time.
Point.
It's important to wipe that off her mind and concentrate on the next one. Alia, Stavya and Naimi want to build on this momentum.
10-7.
3-point lead for Gurgaon. What a fight back.
Side out.
Mitchell
Point.
Hargreaves pulling some momentum back. Gurgaon still in the lead.
Keep in mind, against the Hyderabad Royals, they had the chance to go
8-10.
6-0, but they lost the Grand Rally 21-16. So they won't have a perfect record when it comes to these to this format. Very clear that दोनों के दोनों स्तव्य और नाइमी केवल बॉल आलिया की ओर भेज रहे थे. आमतौर पे अब
11-8.
डिंक्स क्रॉस कोर्ट देखते हैं, लेकिन स्तव्य भी आलिया की ओर ही भेज रहा था डिंक.
Hargreaves with that lob is suggesting I'm here to play too. Great grit there shown by Naimi. Didn't get befuddled with that one coming towards them. Knew what not to fiddle with as well. Naimi and Stavya pushed the points to 12.
And there's a 4-point advantage, and Mitch Hargreaves would be grieving that he didn't put that smash away, which is why Stavya and Naimi could get back. What a brilliant retrieve it was by Naimi. 4 पॉइंट का एडवांटेज है. जैक मुनरो को फायदा उठाना होगा, बिल्कुल उठाना होगा. इसलिए टेंशन हो रही है उनके खेमे में.
पॉइंट की लीड ने मिशेल को एक फ्रीडम दी है, लेकिन अब उस फासले में फिर से अंतर. स्तव्या ने निकाला गैप डाउन द मिडल. मिचेल एंड हर्ष प्ले स्टैचू.
13-9.
यू के चक्कर में फंस गया मामला. शॉट. Brilliant defense also. Top of the paddle. टाइमिंग गलत. एक निराशा भरी मुस्कुराहट हर्ष के चेहरे पे चिपकी हुई है.
14-9.
इस बार वही गलती, लेकिन दूसरे खेमे से. 4 पॉइंट्स का फासला.
10-14.
इसके बाद मिक्स डबल्स 1 आएगा, यानी कि जैक मुनरो के साथ एमिलिया श्मिट और रॉस van Reek will come and join. Harsh Mehta, can she inspire the team once more, or is the lead too long? 3 पॉइंट का फासला है,
Players change.
पूरा हो सकता है. रॉस van Reek has stepped onto court. Emilia Schmidt is partnering Jack Munro now.
11-14.
रूस ने भी की है वापसी. तो क्या होने वाला?
Point.
इस गलती को नहीं दोहराना चाहेंगे. या श्मिट की मौजूदगी में
15-11.
पॉइंट्स का सिलसिला और आगे बढ़ सकता है गुड़गांव के लिए.
Point.
Usually players will get jammed up at that uncomfortable height. He didn't get into a contorted position, Harsh.
Contorted position was found through Amelia Schmidt because she was all over the place.
15.
Didn't know whether she should step back or not. Was going for the kill.
Side out. Point.
Lucky, Capital Warriors Gurgaon.
Wait.
4-point lead.
16-12.
Great delivery there by Amelia. Cross court. लेकिन इस बार नहीं.
मंजस में थी क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं था कि किचन में लैंड की थी बॉल.
16.
She could have taken it directly if she wanted. उसी चक्कर में फंस गई. इस बार बेटर.
रूस ने किया वही कमाल फिर से. स्ट्रैटेजी में कोई चेंज नहीं, एग्जीक्यूशन बेहतरीन.
पर अब स्ट्रैटेजी देखनी होगी फिर से कैपिटल वॉरियर्स गुड़गांव की, क्योंकि आलिया इब्राहिम आ चुकी हैं
14
and they've
16.
identified the fact that she is someone that they can target.
Point.
He is apologizing. That cracking forehand through her almost tore the net apart as well.
15-16.
कोर्ट से दोस्ती करनी पड़ेगी यहाँ एमिलिया श्मिट और नाइमी को. फिर से थिंकिंग दिया.
Side out.
अब
Point.
दिक्कत ये है, she's just transitioned from professional tennis 8 months ago. These soft shots are something that you have to learn in pickleball.
17
And these are the ones that you have to
15.
get used to. Baseline से तो आप कड़क shot मार ही सकते हो. And that's why perhaps they're trying to expose that fact. You can see it again, targeting her again and again, again and again, again and again.
And by the virtue of that, 3 points the difference now.
Side out.
That's why you saw
Point.
Ross van Reek step onto her side of the court. Made it a one-man show, or one-woman show rather.
16-18. Point.
Naimi couldn't get the return past the net on that occasion. It's a matter of 1 point is what Chennai would be suggesting themselves. Gurgaon still in the lead and they close it out well.
17-18.
This is the grand rally.
Yeah, एक पल पर 4 point की lead थी, so it's a brilliant recovery by the Chennai Super Warriors, no doubt about it. Again towards Alia, just towards Alia, constantly towards Alia, well
Side
left.
out. Point.
18-18 अब कैसे बराबरी कर ली, अब चेन्नई सुपर वॉरियर्स से ही पूछिए.
18-18.
The paddle was there and so was the presence of mind to not touch it at all.
इस बार आपने जगह दे दी, गुंजाइश छोड़ दी, मार दी कड़क वॉली. शाबाश.
No, there's no time.
फिर से मिच हार्ग्रीव्स
Point.
टूट पड़े. मैच पॉइंट, ग्रैंड रैली पॉइंट to make it a perfect 3 for the
20-18.
Chennai Super Warriors.
And this rally
21-18.
decides the fate of Gurgaon. It's the Chennai Super Warriors